reacting to some videos, and we're going to be sharing some tips about how we were bad at dancing and still bad at dancing. A little bit better. Let's get right into it. So Emily, what's the first video we're watching?
First video we're watching. I don't know if you guys know. They probably know by now because we talked about it. But we used to be part of a group called Phase 4, and I don't know how to describe it. But we didn't know how to dance.
Nope.
So
we went into a group. We didn't know how to dance, and now we're not really any different. So. So we're gonna watch some of our videos, and also Obsidian is in this, and they're like whipping it, and we're just kind of like, you know. So don't pay attention to them. Don't pay attention to us. That's basically what I'm saying. So, anyways,
this has been a public service.
We are watching our first cover.
As If It's Your Last by Blackpink.
And away we go.
As if it should have been our last cover.
Oh, I love that face. Oh. Ah! No, my armpits!
So we're exactly 22 seconds in, and
my face was like, oh.
Now we didn't know how to have any presence at all.
Ooh, girl.
Ooh, girl. Let's keep it on going.
All right. That specific part, Emily still doesn't know how to do. Look at your face in this. Like,
oh my god, I missed.
You're like, where am I? And look at me. I'm like, what have I done? Look at how. That's the only part I smiled in. I want to preface this. This is my part. And
you know what? We'll just say we've improved a lot.
I want to say I worked really hard on this part, like really hard, and I have nothing to show.
Look how tiny you are. You're just like 2 years old.
Oh, also my outfit choices for this were awful. And
I think it's cute.
for all of the covers, my pants kept falling down. And everyone would say, stop fixing your pants. Stop fixing your clothes. It doesn't look good.
Just look at when we did the Majima Channel part. Just watch me, okay?
You know, I'm glad that you were there with us and that you were part of the group and that it wasn't 3 people, but it should have been 2.
Both saw the exact same thing. And in my mind, I was like, finally got it.
So, we're gonna watch Highlight, and this is the last one we did as Phase 4. So
please enjoy it.
Let's watch it. This song brings me anxiety.
Oh.
Right when I hear that, I'm just like. Okay. Oh. Here we are.
Wow.
We look so professional.
We do actually look really nice.
We look good, except me. My pants were falling down. Oh!
I would just like to say,
Okay.
this one's rough too, obviously. But look at the last one and look at this one. Like, we improved some. We worked really hard.
We look, well, yeah, this one was, we worked so hard.
We worked so hard. We
And-
cried.
Yeah, I cried like 6 times in one day. Anyways. Look at the attitude that I have during this. Look at my confidence level just increase. I wish I was wearing boots. I wish I was wearing my boots.
Wig for one.
Look at her out.
You guys didn't, oh my gosh, we worked so hard on this.
That was actually not bad. That was actually pretty good. I think I like took the ugly goggles off, you know? And but okay, look at me fixing my pants because they were falling down. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go, push my pants. See, look at that attitude! Look at that! You look so professional. Oh, I remember that part.
Yeah.
Here's the thing. When you're dancing, you can know the moves. Like, we knew... I mean, Emily didn't know the moves, but we can... So you can know the moves, and you can do the moves. But if you're not confident and, sassy... energetic, then it doesn't look good. Something I think that we should work on is more attitude. Because when you look at, the 1 million dances or whatever,
They have so much.
they have so much attitude. It's like they're good dancers, but it's not like they're just dancing. Like their face looks like, you know. You and I have seen people that don't do the right moves, but they look good because
We do that sometimes.
yeah, we don't do the right moves. We don't even dance.
I mean, you obviously want to know the moves. But energy is a big factor in it. So.
Recently, I've been looking at some of our covers and our energy wasn't there, and our moves were good though. We're in sync and everything, but our energy's not there. The most views and attention we get off of covers is the ones that have the most energy.
You throw energy into your dances, because half of them that I see is that we see that we're oh, that wasn't quite there. It's just lack of energy.
It's more putting all that you can into it. 110%. If this is the move, you could go like that. That's still
It's
right.
still it.
Yeah, but if you go, it's different if you go boom, boom, then you know what I mean? And that's another thing is people talk about sharpness and being sharp with your moves. And that's something we've struggled with forever. And so it's exerting the movement, I guess, in the right places. But then also with that, there's control.
Yeah.
And you don't want to overexert your moves, you want to control them. So because we've seen people that have good energy, they do the dance correctly, but they just go, their movements, it looks like they're just
Yeah.
And so it's like, yeah, like that's good, like that's great, like you're doing it, but it's just like, you could be a little bit more.
Yeah, also don't forget to watch yourself in the mirror, because you can think that you're doing it right, and you see yourself in the mirror, and it's like, work on it every day.
Right. Yeah, so if you work on it every day, then you're gonna get better at it.
Yeah.
And also try to look back on your dancing. So film yourself, because that really helps, and look back on it and compare it to the dance. Always go back and watch the original dance.
Yep. And don't always like do the same style of dancing. Like we do a lot of flowy stuff, but we try to do some sharp stuff too. Like we do BTS, really sharp body control stuff. So do different types of dance.
If you work on it every day, like you'll get better at it. But if you don't work on it and look at yourself and look at the other people and like always go back to the dance and look if you're doing it just like they do, not like the moves, but how they're doing it, then you're not gonna get better as fast as you would.